Yo, how's it bouncing, guys? Hope all of you are doing super great. I know I'm doing pretty well today because we got leak dates for WWDC, which means we know when iOS 13 Beta 1 will likely be dropping for us to finally get our hands on. We know when new Apple products are likely going to be coming, according to a new rumor, when we can pre-order something like AirPods 2 or the new iPads or AirPower. And on top of all of that, OnLeaks has shared some more details about AirPods 2, and now there's the possibility they might not be coming as soon as we thought they were. Every single day it's a ping pong match with AirPods, and I'm just hoping that they come out soon. So I want to talk about all of this. Let's go ahead and get started with the March event. So the rumor names just keep getting better. Mac Rumors found this, but according to site iPhone Hellas, big fan of these rumor names lately. I don't even care if they're true. This is just entertaining. In all seriousness though, iPhone Hellas has reported some correct information in the past as far as specific release dates go. In the Mac Rumors article, they reported something back correct for iOS 4, so maybe that source just decided to get back involved in the leak and rumors game. But according to this site, pre-orders for new products like the new iPads, AirPower, and they claim second generation AirPods are gonna go live on March 22nd. So Friday, March 22nd. For pre-orders, you'll be able to pick all this up in store and it should be arriving at your front door on Friday, March 29th. Obviously, this is good news. It leads more credence to the fact that Apple will probably be holding an event in March, probably on a Wednesday or Tuesday before the pre-order date. We don't know an exact event date just yet, which is important to note here. They also say alongside this, the AirPods wireless charging case will be dropping as well, with pre-orders on the 22nd and release on the 29th. And the only thing that makes me skeptical of this now is that we're hearing from OnLeaks on Twitter. He says an unidentified source who he's never heard from before could be correct in providing this information, but you should be really skeptical when reading this. And basically the source is saying that the full version of AirPods 2, what I've been talking about for a long time, with that hands-free Siri functionality, with better bass as we heard yesterday, all those features we're looking forward to, it might not be coming now until fall. But in fall, new color options will be coming for AirPods 2, which is dope. I would love to see product red, something like this. We already know either glossy / matte black version of AirPods is coming, and of course white will likely be retained as well. So we know about that. What the tweet does say is coming is the AirPods wireless charging case that is apparently coming to market very soon. So it's possible that maybe iPhone Hellas and everyone else is reporting that when AirPods 2 are coming soon, it's actually just going to be the wireless charging case for AirPods 1. If that happens, obviously I'll take it, but I really wanted to see AirPods 2 in the first half of 2019. And a number of sources are reporting that they are coming in the first half of 2019. This is the only source that I've seen so far say that AirPods 2 wouldn't be coming in the first half of the year, but I wanted to give this info to you guys anyway, so let's say it doesn't end up coming, you knew that it was at least a possibility that it got delayed until further in 2019. But personally, I still feel like they're going to come out sometime in March at this March event. All right, now moving on from that story, Mac Rumors did some digging. Props to Mac Rumors. I'll leave links to all the articles that I referenced in today's video down below. Per usual, they deserve credit where credit is due. Mac Rumors did some digging. They found the dates for WWDC 2019 about a month ahead of when Apple's probably going to be announcing them for real. You know, putting out the press release, WWDC is happening here, possibly inviting media that early, although I'm not sure if those invites go out later in the year. But they're saying that in 2019, WWDC is going to be held from June 3rd to June 7th. And it's going to be held at the same place as last year, and I think a year or two before as well, but at the McEnery Convention Center, and it's going to hold about the same amount of people. Now, getting to WWDC is really tricky. Of course, this is the event where Apple announces all their new versions of software that they've been working on. It's going to be iOS 13, macOS 10.15, new versions of tvOS, and I guess we'll be on watchOS 6 this year. Yeah, we'll be on watchOS 6. And occasionally they'll also launch new products as well. In WWDC 2017, that was when we saw the new iPad with a ProMotion display and a couple of other products, like I think some Macs got a refresh there. I mean, the iMac line is due, so maybe we see those iMac upgrades at this year's WWDC. But if you want to go there or you're planning to buy a ticket, these dates aren't official yet, and a lot of people don't know about it. So hypothetically, it could be a good idea to buy your plane ticket now and book your hotel now before it's official and everybody raises their prices because they know it's going to be a highly contended event to go to. But there's always the chance that they could change. So that's basically the risk that you're going to be taking if you bought a non-refundable ticket or made a non-refundable reservation of some sort. So based off this info, what we know about iOS 13, we now have this June 3rd likely keynote date. We can almost say for sure that iOS 13 Beta 1 will be dropping available for us to download, at least in developer form, on Monday, June 3rd. So Monday, June 3rd, gonna be a date to remember. I'm gonna actually put that in my phone right now. Already, it's still a few months away. We're hearing dark mode coming to iOS 13, something that we've been wanting. I think I've heard about this since I started making YouTube videos back in 2013, and Apple is finally bringing it to your iPhone or iPad this year, which is super dope. We're also hearing that a redesigned home screen is going to be coming with a huge emphasis on what's coming and changing with the iPad, just because iPad's kind of not optimized for iOS. Apple's going to be redesigning the home screen for the iPad, but the home screen will also receive some improvements and tweaks on the iPhone as well. So right there are two major changes, to me already feeling like a bigger update than iOS 12 based on that alone. So let me know down below in the comment section whether or not you guys are going to be attending WWDC, trying to get a ticket when they go on sale. And of course, when the official announcements, the press releases come out, I'll be the first to tell them about you. Tell them to you guys. Tell you about them. I'll be the first to tell you guys about it here on YouTube. So drop a like in case you haven't already on this video and hit subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest Apple news. That is all I've got for you in today's video. Thanks so much for watching. As always, I've been Sam, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.